Hi guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Create by Fab. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. If you love craft and DIYs, you are in the right place. Today, I'm really excited because I'm doing another collab with my friend Mary from Mary DIYs. So she's doing right now a 12 days of Christmas series. So she's posting a lot of Christmas DIY. So she asked me to collaborate with her, and this is my second time collaborating with her. So yeah, I'm so excited about it, and now I'm going to be working with the Buffalo Plate DIY. So let's get started. We're going to be needing one of those gather signs, some foam cone, some buffalo ribbon, another ribbon, some paint, and also pine cone. I also going to be using those leftover wood that I have for previous DIY, which is plunger stick. So first what I did was just give it like 2 coats of black paint off the pieces, just like so, and now I'm going to be wrapping around some twine on the bottom of the little sign, as you can see. I also going to be using some buffalo ribbon around the gather sign. So first I'm going to be just cutting it in half because I want it a little bit smaller. And so yeah, using hot glue and then just wrapping around just like so. I also use the lighter just to burn a little bit the twine. And now I'm going to be using the floral foam. I got this state of foam for another DIYs, and which is a recycled thing. So I'm just going to use those as a basis. But before I'm going to glue in the wooden sticks, I'm going to be just creating like a little hole inside as a base to better how you call that, like sit. So next I'm going to be working with the little cones. So I'm going to be doing the same thing with the ribbon, just cutting it in half and wrapping around just like so. Now for the second tree, I'm going to be using another ribbon, but I'm going to be just cutting a little pieces as you can see, and then I start to glue it each by one because that's the order I want deers and trees, something like that. I also going to be using those pine cones, just pulling apart and attaching just a little bit here and there as like ornaments, just like so. Next, I make a little bow and attach it on top of one of the little trees. And now the favorite part, I'm going to be just putting everything together. I attach the little cones on top of the sticks, and now I'm going to be filling the little bags with cotton balls. As you can see, that would be like a snow. And also I'm going to be using a little ornament from Dollar Store as well. And there you have it, such a beautiful buffalo plate trees. And now for the second DIY, I'm going to be using one of those frame, a fake candle, a candy can or candy container, and some ribbon. And yes, the first step I just don't show it because I did the same thing I did on the first one, and I don't want to be boring you guys. So and then I'm going to be just gluing the candle on the center of the frame, as you can see. And now I'm going to be using some black paint, and I'm going to be painting the top of the container and also the bottom, just like so. I also paint a little bit the candle as well. So next I'm going to be just using this leftover garland for previous DIY, and I'm going to be just covering the entire bag just like that. You don't have to glue if you don't want it, but you can glue if you would like it. So then I'm going to be using those little red bears that I have and some fake snow, throw it on top. And now I'm going to be just placing the container on top of the candle. So you can also use E6000 or another kind of strong glue for permanent DIY. In my case, I only use a had glue because I always end in repurposes my DIYs. So next I did a little bow. So I did 2 little bows and then attach it together with some twine, just twisting around on the center. Not twisted, wrapping around on the center. As you can see. And next I'm going to be just gluing it, and so then with a little join ornament I just give it some coat of white paint and gluing it on the corner, as you can see. And there you have a beautiful lantern made of candy container. What do you think about that? I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know which one was your favorite one, number 1 and number 2. And also don't forget to go check Mary's channel, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.